Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty video. So if you like this kind of stuff, then make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram. Now today's video is a first impression video slash kind of a review video of Glossier brow products. Now speaking of Glossier, I hope I pronounced the brand correctly. Glossier, whichever one you prefer. But speaking about the brand, I really like the kind of aesthetics, the kind of brand history, and I've always wanted to try Glossier products. And basically make sure you subscribe, because this week I'm uploading a lot of review videos of Glossier, because I've been testing something behind the scenes obviously, and for today's video I'm testing out slash reviewing the Glossier brow products. So whatever you order from Glossier, it comes in this cute little travel pouch. It's really convenient and you can reuse it for your own bits and bobs. So I'm reviewing the Brow Flake product and the Boy Brow, which is one of their iconic products, and I'm thinking, if I'm not wrong, this is the only brow products that Glossier do. Guys, I have tested loads of different brow products in the past. Now it ranges from brow pencils, brow powders, which is one of my favorite things to use. I really like using brow powders because it's very detailed, and I have used those brow pencil, the twist up ones basically, and loads of different more from across different brands. And the Brow Flake is more like a felt tip, which is something that I've never used before, and I'm really curious how it looks. So I'm just on the Glossier website, and it says what it is. So a brush tip, the detailing pen that fills in and defines the brows. Why is it so special? It fills and defines the brow arch, accents the tail, and adds the depth to spark areas. The pen's brush tip creates feather-light strokes that actually looks real, and also it comes in 3 shades, which is blonde, brown, and black, and the shade that I got is the brown one. It is smudge resistant, sheer, and buildable. So this is what it is, and let me just open it because I'm so curious. So another thing what it says is before you use it is you have to shake it, basically, so shake it upwards. And I can hear something inside, so maybe there's like a thing that basically activates the pen basically. Now the thing is, my brows are not that spark basically. I have literally nothing on my brows, so my brows are not the worst, but however I want to grow out my brows, so it's basically this part and this part. I can see there are some spark areas, and I really want to fill it in, so that's why I think this would be great, because I want to create a kind of natural featherless brow look, and I really like the new brow look, basically the new trend, which is this bushy brow look. So this is what I want to create and I want to do as well. This is how it looks, like a felt tip. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's really interesting to see it how it is. I want to try it here on my hand and see how it is. Can you guys see? If I press it like this, it creates thicker lines. If I go like this, it creates those thin lines, which I want to get as well. I'm gonna go pointwards, literally pointing on my brows, and I want to create those light feather effects. Now I have some spark areas in here, especially in here and in here. These are the areas I want to grow, and these are the areas that I want to fill in the meantime. What do you think? This is the one with the brow flake, and this is the brow with no brow flakes. So do you guys see any difference? Did it make any bigger and bushier and fluffier? Now it says Once you've used it, let it dry for 15 minutes and then go on top of it with the boy brow. So I'm gonna quickly do the left side of my brow. Alright guys, that's me done with the brow flake. What do we think? Did it make any bushier, any bigger? I'm just trying to close the lid because they say to close the lid properly, it might dry out. That's the only thing with it. Anyway, so what do we think? Does it look any bigger, any fluffier, any bushier? To be honest, it took me some time. If I had my brow powder, my normal brow powder that I love, I would be very quick, but this took me quite some time, not gonna lie. So I'm not judging it yet. I do like it how it looks on the mirror. It does look very like fluffy and very like this groomed, natural, and very bushy. So I quite like it. Now 15 seconds are over. We're gonna go with the boy brow. Now the boy brow is Glossier's most iconic and most bestseller products, I would say. And I have discovered Glossier by the brow product, so which is the boy brow. I've seen lots of other people rave about this brow product. And what it is, so it's a brushable, creamy wax that visibly thickens, sharpens, and grooms brows into the place. Why is this so special? Is inspired by traditional hair pomade. It gives brows soft, flexible hold and one easy swipe, and doesn't make it very look flaky or make it hard. It comes in 3 shades, which is clear, blonde, brown, and black. And I again got the color or the shade brown, which is the same color as the brow flake. And it is thickening, conditioning, and it is flexible. And this is how the dofa looks. It looks very small, as you guys can imagine. Obviously is created for the brows, so the dofa is a little bit tinier than usual. And let's give this a try and see how it is. Right, so that's one brow done with the boy brow, and this is the brow done with no boy brow. Can you guys see any difference? I can definitely see a difference because this had massively kind of defined and shaped the brow and kind of filled it in. I didn't fill it the brow at the top. I left it for the boy brow to do this job, which it did. I just did the bottom bit with the brow flake, but the boy brow filled the top bit very nicely and very natural. And this is, you guys can see, this has no boy brow, so there is a difference which I can see definitely. So let's go and do the other brow. So again, strike upwards and basically groom the brows like a hair pomade. Alright guys, so this is the finished brow look. I must say my brows do look very different. They look very like bushy, very big, very filled in, very defined, and I quite like it. It looks very different. I've never seen my brows like this. None of the other products that I use create a brow look like this. Now my brow powder doesn't really just gives this kind of sleek effect on a brow basically, whereas this did. And it really defined it with the brow flake. The brow flake is very thin, like a felt tip, so it was very easy to get around those sparks. And the brow gel, the boy brow, filled in the top with, which I really like. And also it's not very sticky on the brow as well. Alright guys, so this was my first impression and my first time using the Glossier boy products, the Glossier brow products. I love the name boy brow, so iconic. So let's debrief and give you my final thoughts about every single product, which is only 2 products. So the brow flick. Now I think the brow flick is a very cool idea, very genius. I like the felt tip, it's very pointy, so you do have a nice application to use it. However, I have noticed on my brows that I did make some mistakes in here, so you need to be very good with your hands while you're using this. You need to be very creative, very like I don't know how to say this, very like good with the hands and very precise to work with this kind of product. Because if you mess it up, it's very hard to get rid of, like, clean this product on your brow. Once you've messed it up, so it's very hard to clean it up. However, if you know and if you have this precise hand to give this brow strokes, then you might find this product very helpful. However, this was my first time using this, so obviously I've never used a product like this before, so for me it was a little bit more difficult to use it. However, if I use it multiple times, I know that I will get the gist and I will get use out of this product, and I know how to work properly with this product in the future. So these are my final thoughts. I really like how the brow looked. It does look very bushy. I don't know, this kind of brow is kind of new for me, so I don't know whether I made a mistake or this is how it's supposed to look on a brow basically. The brown color is a very nice color and it goes perfectly with my brows, and also it filled in the spark areas on my brows. So overall, I'm not hating this product and I'm not loving it at the moment. So it's okay product. I will definitely use it. I will definitely enjoy using it. However, it did take some time applying this product. Now, if I do my brows, I do very quick with my brow powder. I just take my brow pencil and just tap it on the brow powder, and then whoosh, boom, I'm done. So, moving on with the next product, which is the boy brow. Again, the boy brow, it is just a normal other kind of brow gel. What it says on the packaging, what it claims for, it does the job perfectly, and it does the job even better. It does come a lot of brow products on top of the dispenser, so just wipe off the excess cost. You don't need a lot of product, it will go on waste. It has a perfect size to use it on your brows. The color is very nice, and it shapes and defines the brows, and it doesn't come off on my finger when I do this. It dries up very quickly and it doesn't dry very hard, as it says on the packaging and on the website. And it also kinda filled in the top brow, which I left for the boy brow. So I left the underneath the brow for the brow flick, and the boy brow did the rest of the job to fill in the top of the brow. Overall, these products work together perfectly, and honestly guys, I really like how my brows look. They look very different, very defined, very natural and groomed and neat at the same time, as well as not being over the top, so just the right balance. You can get these Glossier products on their websites individually, or you can get them together as a set, which you will save £4, I guess. So the set is £25, or if you buy them individually, it works for us as 29. So the set is quite good, and also there are different loads of other sets that you can go and check out, because the sets you will save some money, and it's quite good. So you can try out some different products and you will save some money. And as a whole, Glossier, obviously they're known for their very kind of natural, no makeup look, and these products are really good. If I would recommend out of these two, the most of them, I would definitely recommend the boy brow. The boy brow basically does the job. It fills in and also grooms the brows and puts them on tact. Whereas with the brow flake, obviously you can use a normal brow gel, your normal brow powder, or your normal brow pencil, so you don't really need this. Whereas with the boy brow, I think this product is a really good staple to have in your makeup collection. Alright guys, so this was it with this review video. I hope you guys all liked it and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button is just down below. It means a lot to me. And also do let me know in the comments if you want me to try different Glossier products. Now bear in mind there's loads of different Glossier products I'm testing around at the moment, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to don't miss out these. If you guys have any questions regarding the product, do let me know your questions down below in the comments below. And that's it with this video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.